So the chair now recognizes Sen. JV for his questions.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Anyway, we received information, the Secretariat, that yung mga taga-Paocc, they're attending the budget hearing in the other house. Baka nakalimutan nila, may budget hearing din tayo next week ng Office of the President, which usually, Madam Chair, as of courtesy, breezes through. But this time, I am thinking, considering to ask that the Paocc budget be deferred because this is a clear disrespect to this committee. Diba? It's very important. This is a very important investigation, and sila po yung nasa primary, one of the primary agencies that is really active here. And likewise, Madam Chair, next week, no, OP budget. So if they do not show up before 5, I might move that their budget be deferred. Yung OP, papasa po natin. That's attached agencies. Because ang worry ko lang po dito, Madam Chair, like you, I have doubts on the narration of Michelle Go and the Paocc's narrative, yung pong naginamit po nila yung through boats, no? Small boat, fishing boat, hanggang papunta po ng Sabah. And then that's why I would like to ask NBI later on, kahit po konti, no? Kahit hindi po tapos, yung pong kanina pong initial investigation.
Madam Chair, with the indulgence of my good friend, Senator JV, can I just make a parliamentary inquiry as to the whereabouts of Paocc? You mean to say, Madam Chair, there is no representative here from Paocc? That is unbelievable. I mean, that is really unbelievable. In a budget hearing, lahat sila pupunta doon at wala ni isa ipadadala to represent Paocc here in the Senate?
Salamat, Sen. Joel. And with the further indulgence of Sen. JV, I wish to make of record, sulat po for the Executive Director ng Paocc, na si Director Winston John Romero Casio, their letter dated September 5, so ngayong araw, hoping that it will be acceptable to the subcommittee. Dear Honorable Ontiveros, peace be unto you. On behalf of the Executive Director, Undersecretary Gilbert D.C. Cruz, allow me to convey our inability to attend the legislative public hearing of your esteemed committee due to an equally pressing matter that we need to address as a result of a recent rescue operation in Lapu-Lapu City. Due to the limited number of personnel detailed and assigned to the commission, the two directors privy to the anti-scam hub operations are currently unavailable. We would make ourselves available in the next public hearing on this matter. Be assured of our continuing commitment to public service. Allow me to convey our gratitude in advance. And additionally, at this point, Sen. Joel, in relation to the manifestation made earlier by Sen. JV, very well noted po ng chair the matter in relation to yung upcoming budget hearing ng Paocc. We will make efforts. The chair requests the COMSEC to ask Paocc if it is really physically impossible for them to come back today from Lapu-Lapu City. Perhaps at least one of the two directors could be available online.
Thank you, Madam Chair. It's just that I wanted to put this on record, Madam Chair, that not a single person would represent Paocc in this very important investigation. We don't have a session today because of this hearing. We were supposed to have a Thursday session. It's raining outside, flooded all over. We are all here working. But Paocc doesn't have any representative, not one, who would be able to represent Paocc for the Senate. I'm warning all of the government agencies. Baka hindi nyo alam kung anong Senado. And it's a sign of disrespect, I have to say. And I joined the gentleman from San Juan for the deferral of their